Intriguing beginnings. Who was Salman al Farsi? Have you ever wondered about the incredible journeys that shape history? Hazrat Salman Farsi's. The story is one such journey, filled with adventure, faith, and resilience. Born in Persia, he embarked on a quest that led him to become one of the most respected companions of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Hazrat Salman Farsi's early life was rooted in Persian culture and traditions, but his innate curiosity and spiritual longing set him on a path that would lead him far from home. This story of his journey is one of perseverance, unwavering faith, and the search for the ultimate truth. From his childhood days in a prosperous family to his adventures across different lands and cultures, Hazrat Salman's life is a testament to the transformative power of seeking knowledge and understanding. His journey not only changed his life but also left an indelible mark on the early Islamic community. Stay with us to uncover the remarkable tale of Hazrat Salman Farsi. Is a tale that transcends borders and cultures, a tale that shows the true essence of dedication and the human spirit's quest for enlightenment. His story is a beacon of inspiration for those who seek truth and spiritual fulfillment in an ever-changing world. Early life in Persia. Hazrat Salman Farsi, originally named Rozbeh, was born into a wealthy Zoroastrian family in Persia. His early life was marked by comfort and privilege, living in a household that was well respected and affluent. From a young age, he was groomed to follow in his father's footsteps, adhering to the religious practices and societal expectations of their community. However, Hazrat Salman's inquisitive mind and spiritual longing set him apart from his peers. He was deeply introspective and constantly questioned the religious doctrines he was brought up with. Despite his family's devotion to the Zoroastrian faith, young Hazrat Salman felt a persistent yearning for something more profound and true. He often found himself contemplating the mysteries of life and the universe, feeling that the answers lay beyond the teachings he had grown up with. This internal struggle and desire for deeper understanding eventually propelled him to embark on a journey that would change his life forever. Hazrat Salman's early years were spent in a land rich in culture and tradition, yet his heart and mind were always seeking something beyond the tangible wealth and rituals. The quest for truth begins. Hazrat Salman's journey for spiritual truth began when he encountered a group of Christians who introduced him to their faith. Captivated by their beliefs and the sense of peace and purpose they exuded, he felt an immediate connection. This new faith sparked something within him, igniting a fire that led him to leave his family and homeland to pursue his quest for truth. His journey took him across the vast expanse of the Persian Empire, into the heart of Byzantine territories, and eventually to Arabia. Each step of his journey was fraught with challenges, but his determination never wavered. He traveled through deserts and across mountains, often facing extreme hardships, but his unwavering faith and desire for truth kept him moving forward. Along the way, he encountered various religious scholars and monks, each of whom imparted wisdom and guidance that shaped his understanding and fortified his resolve. Hazrat Salman's journey was not just a physical one, but a profound spiritual and intellectual odyssey. He sought out knowledge wherever he could find it, learning from diverse religious traditions and scholars who expanded his horizons. This period of his life was marked by intense study, reflection, and the unyielding pursuit of spiritual enlightenment. Meeting the Christian monks. In his search for spiritual truth, Hazrat Salman met several Christian monks who guided him and taught him the tenets of Christianity. These monks were profoundly knowledgeable and devout, living lives of simplicity and dedication to their faith. They welcomed Hazrat Salman with open arms, recognizing his sincere quest for understanding. He moved from one monastery to another, seeking wisdom and deeper understanding. Each mentor prepared him for the next phase of his journey, instilling in him the importance of patience, humility, and perseverance. The monk's teachings resonated deeply with Hazrat Salman, further fueling his quest. He spent years learning from them, absorbing their teachings, and refining his spiritual understanding. These experiences not only broadened his perspective, but also solidified his commitment to finding the ultimate truth. His time with the monks was transformative, providing him with the spiritual foundation that would support him in the next stages of his journey. The Christian monks taught him about the virtues of humility, selflessness, and devotion, which became integral to his character. Arrival in Arabia. Hazrat Salman's relentless quest eventually led him to Arabia, where he heard about the last prophet foretold by his mentors. This news filled him with hope and renewed vigor. He made his way to the bustling city of Medina, then known as Yathrib, with a heart full of anticipation. His journey to Medina was arduous, involving many hardships, but his unwavering faith kept him going. He traveled through harsh desert terrains, enduring extreme conditions and relying on his faith to sustain him. Upon his arrival, he was struck by the vibrant and diverse community he found there. The people of Medina were kind and welcoming, offering him a glimpse of the harmonious society he had been seeking. This new environment provided him with the perfect backdrop to continue his spiritual quest, leading him to the ultimate meeting that would change his life forever. Hazrat Salman's arrival in Medina was a pivotal moment in his journey. He was finally in the land where the final prophet, as described by his mentors, resided. The bustling city, with its mix of cultures and traditions, was unlike anything he had experienced before. He felt an immediate sense of belonging and hope, believing that his quest was nearing its fulfillment. Encounter with Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Upon reaching Medina, Hazrat Salman's life took a significant turn when he met Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Recognizing the signs his Christian mentors had described, Hazrat Salman felt an immediate and profound connection. The Prophet, peace be upon him, welcomed him warmly, recognizing his sincerity and dedication. Hazrat Salman embraced Islam wholeheartedly, finding in it the ultimate truth he had been seeking. This marked the beginning of a profound spiritual journey and a deep bond with the Prophet, peace be upon him. Hazrat Salman's conversion was not just a personal transformation, but also a pivotal moment in the early Muslim community. His acceptance of Islam was a testament to the universal appeal of the faith and its ability to transcend cultural and ethnic boundaries. This encounter solidified his place in Islamic history as a revered companion of the Prophet, peace be upon him. The meeting with the Prophet, peace be upon him, was a culmination of Hazrat Salman's long and arduous journey. The Prophet, peace be upon him, recognized Hazrat Salman's quest for truth and his dedication to finding it, welcoming him into the fold of Islam with open arms. Hazrat Salman's acceptance of Islam was a significant moment that underscored the inclusive and universal nature of the faith. It demonstrated that Islam was a religion for all of humanity, transcending ethnic, cultural, and geographical boundaries. Contributions to Islam. Hazrat Salman Farsi's contributions to the early Muslim community were immense. His knowledge of different cultures and languages proved invaluable. He suggested the digging of a trench during the Battle of the Trench, a strategy that was crucial for the Muslims' victory. This innovative tactic showcased his strategic acumen and his ability to adapt his knowledge to serve the community. His wisdom and insights earned him great respect among the Prophet's companions. Hazrat Salman's contributions were not limited to military strategies. He also played a vital role in the spiritual and intellectual development of the Muslim community. His deep understanding of various religious traditions, and his ability to articulate the core principles of Islam made him a respected teacher and guide. His life and work exemplify the spirit of collaboration and mutual respect that is central to the Islamic faith. He was deeply involved in the intellectual and spiritual growth of the early Muslim community. His background and experiences gave him a unique perspective, allowing him to bridge cultural gaps and foster understanding among the diverse members of the community. Hazrat Salman's wisdom and humility endeared him to the Prophet, peace be upon him, and his companions, making him a trusted advisor and a beloved member of the early Muslim society. Role in Islamic history. Beyond his military contributions, Hazrat Salman played a significant role in spreading the teachings of Islam. He was known for his humility, wisdom, and dedication. His life story became a testament to the universal message of Islam, transcending ethnic and cultural boundaries. Hazrat Salman's role in Islamic history is not just as a warrior or a strategist, but as a bridge between cultures and religions. He exemplified the inclusive and universal nature of Islam, demonstrating through his life that faith is not confined by geography or ethnicity. His journey and his contributions have left an indelible mark on Islamic history, inspiring generations of Muslims around the world. Hazrat Salman's influence extended far beyond the immediate context of his time. His story has been passed down through generations, serving as a powerful example of the transformative power of faith and the importance of perseverance in the quest for truth. His legacy continues to inspire and guide Muslims in their spiritual journeys, reminding them of the universal principles of justice, compassion, and humility that are central to Islam. Legacy and teachings. Hazrat Salman Farsi's legacy is preserved through his teachings and the anecdotes of his life. He is remembered for his profound faith, resilience, and the incredible journey that brought him to the heart of the Islamic faith. His story continues to inspire millions around the world. Hazrat Salman and teachings emphasize the importance of perseverance, humility, and the relentless pursuit of truth. His life is a powerful reminder that the journey to spiritual enlightenment is often filled with challenges, but the rewards are immeasurable. His legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those who seek inspiration from his story, serving as a beacon of hope and faith for all who hear it. Hazrat Salman's life and teachings offer valuable lessons for contemporary society. His unwavering dedication to finding the truth and his ability to transcend cultural and religious boundaries are particularly relevant in today's interconnected world. Enduring influence. The influence of Hazrat Salman Farsi extends beyond his lifetime. His story reminds him of the power of faith and the pursuit of truth. It highlights the importance of perseverance and the impact one individual can have on the course of history. Hazrat Salman's life and legacy resonate with people of all backgrounds, reminding us that the quest for truth and spiritual fulfillment is a universal journey. His enduring influence is a testament to the timeless nature of his teachings and the profound impact of his life's work. His story continues to inspire and guide those who seek a deeper understanding of faith and spirituality. Hazrat Salman's enduring influence is a testament to his life's and teachings' timeless relevance. His story serves as a reminder that the quest for spiritual truth and the pursuit of justice are universal human endeavors. Hazrat Salman Farsi's journey from Persia to the heart of Islam is a testament to the power of faith and perseverance. His life teaches us that the quest for truth and spiritual fulfillment knows no bounds. If you found this story inspiring, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more incredible tales of faith and resilience. By subscribing, you join a community of seekers and learners who are dedicated to exploring the rich tapestry of human history and spiritual journeys. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to sharing more enlightening stories with you. By subscribing to our channel, you become part of a community that values these timeless principles and seeks to learn from. The rich history of human spirituality. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to sharing more inspiring stories with you in the future.